Alright. So welcome to our reformer class. So I'd just like you to be familiar with the reformer. So this is the foot bar. This is where you put your feet or your hands. So it depends on the instructions later on. We have here 5 spins. The reds are the heaviest. Blue is moderate, and then yellow is the lightest. Okay, so this is a moving carriage. This is where you lie on your back. Okay, headrest and then shoulder rest. So your shoulders are against this. And we have here the straps. So later on, I'll be instructing you which one to get naman. So hindi ka manilito. So we have short lang and then the long straps. And then we have accessories here like reformer box. But later on, let's see if we can use that. So in Pilates, breathing is important. Face the mirror. So I want you to feel the side of your ribs. Okay, the lateral side of your ribs. Okay, good. Can you feel your ribs?
Yes.
Okay. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Yeah, first this. So mas may tunog, mas okay. So you can release all the tension in your body. So why do we use breathing technique in Pilates? To activate the postural muscles. So we have postural muscles from head to toe. Okay, so that's very important. Again, can you feel the expansion of your ribs when you inhale? Inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. Okay, can you feel the expansion laterally? Okay, so it means that you're breathing properly. Okay, so once more, I want you to lift up your hands to the sky as you inhale. Inhale. And exhale down. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Nice one. Okay, so for now, we're going to do footwork. So footwork is a fundamental. I'll just adjust the foot bar. And can you put 3 reds? Okay. Do you have any medical concerns para?
No naman.
Okay, make sure it's perfect. Okay, you can now lie on your back. And you're full. Yes. It's okay. And then so lang. Perfect. Okay. So here, I want you to maintain the spinal curvature or yung curvature ng spine mo without lifting too much or arching too much. Okay. So we have to also consider your pelvis. Can you put your hands on your pubic bone and pelvis banda? There you go. So this is in neutral form. Okay? Neutral position rather kasi hindi siya naka-tilt. Okay? Hindi siya naka-shift. Kasi pag kunwari naka-angat ka, can you do that? Kunwari naka-ganon? Yeah. So that's not neutral. Naka-arch. Okay? So masasakit yung lower back. So we don't want that. So can you maintain the neutral position? So that's the neutral, okay? So you have to maintain that all throughout our exercise para hindi sumakit ang likod. Shoulders relaxed. And I want you to maintain your ribs in that position. So dapat yung ribs nakamelt, hindi siya nakabuka. Kasi pag nakabuka, ibig sabihin nakaangat pa rin yung spine mo. So when I say you engage your core, kasi sa Pilates puro core, okay? When I say engage your core, imagine someone's about to punch you, so you have to tighten it. Pero not too much, not 100%. Okay? So that's it. So that's the correct position when you lie on your back. Now, hands on your sides. There you go. Perfect. And imagine this is your foot. Okay? These are your toes. These are the balls of your feet or your foot. Okay? And then arch. Ganyan. And then the heels. I want you to put the balls of your feet on the bar. There. Okay? Heels together, toes apart. So you're making a letter V. There. Okay? I'll just adjust. And then all throughout, okay, the exercise, your heels should be together. We're going to push the courage away. Alright? So you have to straighten your knees. So maintain the neutral pelvis, maintain the neutral spine. You have to relax your shoulders. Alright? I want you to inhale here. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Take a deep breath in again. And for the exhale, you're going to move the courage out. Can you do that? Exhale on. And let's do this. Take a deep breath in. Energy coming from your balls. And exhale as you push up. Go push up. Let's go. There you go. Heels together. Nice. Is it heavy? Okay lang? Inhale, return. Inhale, return. Return na tayo, return. There you go. Bend your knees. So, ang technique is pag tapos na yung movement, dapat tapos na rin yung hininga. So, pag tapos ka na mag-exhale, dapat tapos na rin ma-straighten yung knees. Alright? Okay. So, following naman, very lang naman, easy. Alright. Inhale, take a deep breath in. And exhale muna. Exhale. Exhale as you move away. Exhale, yes. And inhale, return again. Return, return. Return, inhale. Dalawang hininga lang. Inhale, pag prepare tayo. And then exhale, pag mag-move na tayo. Tama? Pag mag-push na yung courage. And then inhale, return. Isang hinga lang. So again, inhale, prepare. Inhale muna. And exhale, push. Exhale. Yan. Stay there. And inhale, return. Inhale, return. Walang exhale doon. Okay, dalawang hinga lang. Tatlong hinga. Inhale muna. Exhale, mag-move. Inhale, mag-return. Okay? So, no exhale. Sa pabalik. Okay, let's go. Take a deep breath in muna. And exhale, move. There you go. And inhale, bend your knees. There. Okay? Gawin natin 10 times. Ready? Okay, perfect. Inhale. And inhale. Inhale. And exhale, push. There you go. Inhale back. Nicely done. And exhale, push. There. Inhale back. Nice one. There you go. 7 more. That's 3. And return. Nice. Okay? And 4. Exhale. Nice breathing. And inhale pabalik. Nice 1. And 5. Nice. And return. Make sure your heels are still together. Tighten your core as you exhale. There. And inhale, return. Let's do 3 more. That's 7. And return. 2 more. There you go. 1 more. Let's go. And return. How was it? Okay, can you feel it in your quads? We're working on your lower mobility. Okay, we're working on your quads. Feel the inner thigh connection. Alright? So here, we're going to put your feet together now, parallel. So this exercise is called wrap your toes. Okay, wrap toes on bar. So just feel like you're a hawk na nakaala sa sun. So energy coming from the balls of your feet again. So when you exhale, you have to move. When you inhale, you have to return. Alright? Take a deep breath in. And let's go exhale. Push, exhale. There you go. Inhale, return. That's 1 and 2. Nice one. Return, feel it in your quads. And 3. Let's go. 7 more. And 4. 6 more. You can do this. 5 more. Let's go. Return. And 6. Let's go. 4 more. And return. And 7. Let's go. Return. And 8. You can do this. Return. And 9. Let's go. Last one after this. Return. And 10. Exhale and inhale when you return. Nice one. Okay? This part, heels on bar. Okay? Your heels on bar. So imagine there's a wall against your feet. Okay? So your feet or your toes should be pointing towards the ceiling. And adjust. Yes, there you go. Together. Imagine there's ang pao here. So when you exhale, Make sure your knees are still intact together. Okay, here lang. So there's a wall. So here, we're working on your calves and your hamstrings. Okay? Feel the inner thigh connection as you exhale. Squeeze your back as much as you can. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, there you go. Take a deep breath in. We're going to do 10 and exhale. Let's go. Nicely done. And return. And 2. Okay, resist the springs. There. And 3. Nice one. Okay? And 4. Don't overextend your knees. Just enough. There you go. And 5. Last 5 after this. You can do this. And 6. Nice control. Exhale tayo. Exhale mo na yan. Exhale. Exhale yan. Exhale, you move. Exhale, let's go. 6. Exhale. There you go. Inhale, return. There. And 7. And return. Exhale. Exhale. Yes. And inhale, return. And exhale, 9. There you go. Return. And exhale, 10. Get that. Okay? Nicely done. This time, balls of your feet pa rin on the bar. There you go. But now, you're wearing high heels. So your heels are a little bit lifted. Can you lift your heels? Okay? There you go. Just like that. So the challenge here is you have to maintain your heels in the lifted. Okay? But of course, when you move, magbababa siya, right? You can lower it down. But as you inhale, return, kailangan malilift mo siya ulit. Alright? So we're working on your ankles here, your knees, and your hips. Take a deep breath in, and let's go exhale. Push. You can lower it down, and lift. There. Okay? And 2. Exhale 2. Inhale, bend your knees. There you go. And 3. There's ampaw in between your knees. And return. And 4. Last 6. There you go. There's ampaw. Mahulog na yung ampaw. 5. Yes. Perfect. And 6. Nice one. Okay? And 7. Lift your heels. There. And 8. Last 2. Nice one. Lift. And 9. There you go. And last one. And 10. Nice one. And 3. There you go. Okay? Where can you feel it? Here now. Sa calves then, and then sa hamstrings. There you go. Okay? It means that your muscles here are working. Do you go to gym?
Before.
Or you have like activity?
No,
Office work. So Pilates is good for you. Okay? So this time, same position of your feet. Okay, but this time we're going to work on the ankles. We're going to lift and lower the ankles or the heels later on. So I'll be guiding you. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. And exhale, push. Let's go push. Exhale yan. There you go. Straight na. Hold in that position. We're going to lower down the heels. Lower down the heels under the foot bar. There you go. Can you feel it in your hamstrings? Okay. And then lift the heels without bending the knees. Go lift. There you go. Lower down the heels. Only the heels. There you go. Go to do that 6 times. And lift. Lower. And lift. 2. Lower. Lift. 3. Lower. Lift. 4. Lower. Lift 5. Lower. Last one. And lift 6. Stay in that position. Hold it right there. And bend your knees to come back. Inhale and bend your knees to come back. Bend your knees. Go. Go, 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 go. Come back. There you go. Okay, we're going to do that 5 times. Again. Inhale. And exhale as you push. There you go. Lower down the heels. Only the heels. There you go. Lift 1. Lower. Lift 2. Lower. Lower. Lift 3. There you go. Lower. Lift 4. And lower. And lift 5. Hold it right there. We're going to bend our knees to come back. Bend your knees to come back. There you go. Perfect. And take a deep breath in. And exhale as you push the courage. Exhale as you push. There you go. We're going to do that 4 times. Lower down the heels. Under the foot bar. And lift 1. Lower. Lift 2. There you go. Lower. Lift 3. Lower. And lift 4. Feel it in your calves. And bend your knees to come back. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. There you go. Take a deep breath in. We're going to do that 3 times. And exhale. Let's go. Push. Lower down the heels. Lift 1. Lower. Lift 2. Lower. Lift 3. Hold it in that position. We're going to bend our knees to come back. Bend your knees to come back. That's inhale. Perfect. Okay. Let's do 2. And take a deep breath in. And exhale as you push the courage away. Lower down the heels. Lift 1. Lower. And lift 2. Stay in that position. Feel it in your hamstrings and calves. And let's go. Bend your knees. Come back. Let's do one last time. One last time. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Move. Let's go. And lower down the heels. Lift the heels. And bend your knees to come back. Bend your knees to come back. There. This time, we're going to do running. Alternate naman yung pag-lift and pag-lower. Okay? Inhale. And exhale as you push. Let's go. Other leg is lowered. There you go. And then, kabilang line. Other leg. And 1. And 2. That's running. And 3. And 4. And 5. Let's go. 6. 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. And 11. And 2. And 3. Faster. 4. 5. 6. 7. That's it. 8. 9. And 10. Last 10. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. And hold it right there. Lift your heels. Lift your heels. You lift. And there you go. Bend your knees to come back. How was it?
Sakit.
Nasakit na. Okay? Perfect. Now, second position tayo ng feet. We're going to put your feet shoulder width apart. Sige nga, shoulder width apart lang yung feet. There you go. I'm going to insert this ball in between your knees. Okay? Balls of your feet lang. There you go. So whenever you push away, you're going to squeeze the ball so that the glutes are working then. Okay? Inhale, take a deep breath in, and exhale as you push. There you go. Exhale. Squeeze it. There. And return. Ankles, huwag masyadong move. And exhale 2. There you go. 2. Let's go. Nice. Squeeze it. And return. And 3. There you go. Return. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay. There you go. Sige. Balls of your feet pa din. Dapat di mo mahulog ito. Okay. And 4. Let's go. Nice. Di gumagalaw. Diba yung feet? Bigla. Nice one. Nice control. Exhale 5. Exhale yan. Exhale 5 yan. And inhale, return. Nice. Exhale 6. Exhale. There. And return. Nice. Okay. Perfect. And 7. Nice. Okay. Tighten pa yung core as you exhale. And 8. Nice one. Ganda. And 9. Nice one. Last one, and 10. There. Galing. Diba? Ito lang solution para hindi ko malaw yung paa. Okay? I want you to put your, the heels of your feet on the bar. Okay? From one end to another. Edge tayo ng foot bar. Sa edge ng foot bar, so as wide as you can. There you go. Nice one. Okay, feel the inner thigh connection as you move away. There you go. So there is a wall again. Okay, are you ready? Take a deep breath in and exhale as you push away. Nice one. Inhale it in. And 2, you have to control. Resist the springs as you return. Nice. And 3. Nice 1. And 4. Maintain the neutral pelvis. Return. And 5. Nice 1. Don't overextend this. Huwag parang tatalon. And 6. Oops, huwag masyado parang tatalon. Return. And 7. Dadan lang. Ganyan lang. Okay? Nice one. Nice control. And 8. Dadan lang din. Nice. Okay? Perfect. Anong bilang? And 10. Perfect. Okay. And how was it? Okay, shoulder width apart, heels parent, shoulder width apart, heels. And now toes kissing, shoulder width apart. There you go. Toes kissing. Nice. Okay. Time. There you go. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Feel it in your quads. Nice one. Return. And 2. Exhale in. Return, inhale. Nice one. And 3. Nice 1. And 4. Nice. Okay. Return. And 5. Feel it in your quads. Nice one. Last 5. Okay, last 4. Perfect. Last 3. Kaya pa yan. Last 2. Ganda ng hinga. There you go. Last 1. And there you go. Okay? Return. Now, single leg tayo. Okay? So, meaning single foot lang yung nasa football. Let's start with the right foot. Okay. So, your right foot, yung balls ng foot natin nandito. And this one is in tabletop position. So, this is tabletop position. Okay? I want you to maintain your neutral position sa pelvis, neutral position sa spine, so that hindi mag-wiggle yung lower mobility natin or your lower legs. So, this is stable. Kaya siya table pattern. So, dapat hindi siya aangat at yung soup. Hindi siya baba. Natatapon. Okay. 90 degrees position. Perfect. Okay? Toes pointing towards the mirror. There. Sige na. Let's go. Take a big breath in. And exhale as you push. Kaya. And exhale. Nice one. Yung that. Pag-aangat. And 2. Let's go 2. Nice. And 3. Next 1. Kapit yung toe sa bar. And 4. Kaya yan. Return. And 5. Nice. Okay. 11. And 6. Last 4. 7. Keep doing it. Last 2. Let's go. And then last one after this. Last one. There you go. Okay, perfect. So that's one leg bent. Okay, this time we're going to do bicycle. This one should be extended, pointing towards the mirror current toes natin. But as you move the carriage away, we're going to turn this into tabletop position. And as you inhale, we're going to put this into an extended form. Alright. Kaya siya bicycle. Okay. Maintain this. Are you ready? Masakit na ba? Yes. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Breathing can help. And exhale, push. Perfect. Okay. And 2. Tabletop, tabletop. There you go. That's tabletop. And return to bicycle. Extended forward. There. And 3. Nice one. Okay, perfect. There you go. Last 5. There. Last 4. There you go. Last 3. Natapon na yung soup. Maintain the tabletop. And there you go. Last 2. Nice one. Okay. Last 1. And perfect. Okay. So this time, right foot natin. Yung heels naman, ilalagay natin. So meron pa rin wall tayo. This time, tabletop lang. Without the extended form. Okay? But your toes are both pointing towards the ceiling. Okay? We're working on your we're working now on your hamstrings and calves. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Take a deep breath in and exhale, push. And return. Dahan-dahan sa knees. And 2. Perfect. Huwag parang tatalon. And 3. Nice 1. And 4. Tabletop. Perfect. Last 5. There you go. Dahan-dahan sa knees. And 6. Nice. And 7. Last 3 na. Last 2. Nice 1. Last 1. And perfect. Gawin natin sa kabilang paa. Lahat yung ginawa natin. Balls of your your left foot. And then tabletop yung isa. Toes pointing towards the mirror. Masyadong mataas ang tabletop. There. Perfect. And take a deep breath in. And exhale. Umaalis ako malapit sila kasi may video eh. Sayang. And return. Exhale 2. Make sure you breathe. Nice. And return. Mataas ang tabletop. And 3. There you go. You have to control your knees. And return. And 4. Last 6. There you go. And last 5. Nice one. Last 4. Last 3. Kaya pa yan. Last 2. And last 1. There you go. Dire-diretso tayo sa bicycle yan. Extend na yung paa. And let's go. 10. Tabletop yan. Tabletop. Tabletop. There you go. And return to extended 4. Nice. And 2. Nice 1. Don't overextend your knees. And 3. Huwag lang biglayin yung knees. And control. Control when you straighten the knees. And 3. Okay. There you go. And 4. Return. And 5. Da. Yes. Okay. You don't want to put too much straight. Return. And 5. Da. There. Okay. Nice. 6. Nice. Okay. Yeah, may control na. And 7. Okay. Dahan. And 8. Last 2 na yan. Oops, tandahan. And tuhod. And 9. Let's go. Nice. Ganyan. Okay, perfect. Last one. And 10. There you go. Perfect. Okay, heels on board tayo. Heels of your left foot. Left foot. There you go. And then the other one, tabletop. Both are pointing towards the ceiling. Towards the ceiling. And let's go. 1. Perfect. And return. And 2. Nice. And 3. And 4. 5. Your knees up. Be careful sa knees. 6. Nice. Energy coming from the heels. 7. Last 3. And 8. Let's go. And 9. Nice one. Okay. Can you push away? Push away. Sige, go. Go. Push the courage. Push the courage. There you go. We're going to put the straps, the long straps. Bend the other one. And then, there you go. Kick. Okay, push. Push it. Sige. Sige, go. There. Go, go. Push mo. Hanggang makawala yung ano mo. Kabila. Tayo. Let's go, push. Yan. Hindi mo pala pinupush. Okay, the other one. Bend yung other one. There. Okay, we're going to do bend and stretch. Tabletop position tayo. Tabletop. Legs together, knees together, feet together. There. Okay, you have to control the straps and the straps controlling you. Perfect. Relax on the shoulders. Okay. Tabletop. There you go. This time, kaya siya bend and stretch. Basically, you just have to bend. This is a bend form. And then you have to extend. Can you extend your knees? So this is lower diagonal. So this is how you stretch. Okay? But toes are pointing towards the mirror. And when you bend, tabletop position, control it. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Okay? So basically that's it. So you have to control it. Medyo challenging, but you have to control it. Bend. Yes. Okay? Control. Push na konti. Yes. Okay na. That's it. 9 degrees. Okay? Dapat hindi aangat yung puwet. That's it. Okay. Take a deep breath in. And exhale as a stretch. Hirap. Right? Pero kaya. Perfect. Okay? And bend. Up, sabra. And 2. Let's go 2. Exhale. And return. Control it. Nice. Okay. And 3. This one. Return. And 4. Straighten. Nice. Return. And 5. Control it. Nice one. Return. Last 3. And 6. Nice one. Nice control. Bend. Up. Tapan na yung soup. Nice. And 8. Let's go. 7 pa lang. And return. Last one. And 8. Perfect. Okay? So bend. This time, we're going to put our heels together, toes apart. Heels together, toes apart. There. Okay? This one's a bit challenging. But you have to maintain your form, ha? Aligned. There. And perfect. Let's stretch. Exhale, stretch. Pero heels are still together. There you go. You have to stretch your hamstrings. Heels together. Perfect. And inhale as you bend. Control it. Tatapan na yung soup. There. Perfect. And 2. Stretch your hamstrings. There you go. And return. You have to engage your core. And 3. Perfect. Okay. And return. Engage your core. And 4. Nice one. Stretch by hamstrings. There you go. And return. Tatapan na yung soup. Tatapan na. Balik. Yeah. And 5. Nice one. And return. And exhale ulit. 6. Perfect. And return. Control pa. Yung soup. Yeah. And 7. Feel it in your hamstrings. Return. Last one to. And 8. There you go. Okay? And return. Alright, so this time, toes together, heels apart. Toes together, heels apart. Toes together. Toes together, heels apart. Sige, kaya. Control na. Ayan, perfect. Okay, kaya mo napakontrol mo Huwag mo lang i-overthink. Baka in-overthink mo breath in. And exhale. Baba na konti. Baba na konti. Lower the abdomen. Lower the abdomen. Baba na konti. Yes. Ito dapat, ha? So you have to engage this talaga. And return, bend. Bend, bend, bend. Yes. And 2. Sabi mo, masakit yung toes mo, napipisil ko ata. And return. Nag-iwalay siya, nag-iwalay siya. Yan. Kaya na yan. And 3. Okay, good. Tapo na yun, tapo na yung ano. Tapo na. Tapos, tulak yun. Yan. Okay, and 4. Nice one. Yan. Return. Return. Dito lang, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. And 5. Nice one. Okay, return. Hands together. 6. Nice. And return. And 7. Return. And 8. Nice one. And return. Okay? Feet together na. Knees together, legs together. There you go. Okay. So this time we're going to extend na. Extend ulit. Stretch, stretch. Okay. So we're going to do lift and lower na. Okay? So this is the lower version, per diagonal, right? So you have to engage this. And you have to lift together to the sky without lifting the butt. Without lifting the butt. Pag nakaangat yung butt, kailangan ibaba. Kasi you have, ang goal natin dito, ma-stretch yung hamstrings. Okay? So nakaangat na yung butt. Nakaangat na. Yes! So hanggang dito lang. Okay, mga ballerina, perfect na ganon. Pero hindi tayo ballerina. Okay? So hindi dapat naangat ka. Ay, sige, nakaangat ka pala. Sige ba? Yan. So hanggang dyan lang yung lift natin. Okay? Lower. Lower. Inhale, lower. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Yan lang. So you have to control ulit. And exhale. Oops, okay na yan, okay na yan. And lower. Exhale 2. Feet together. And lift 3. And 3. Toes pointing. Point yung toes yan. Para hamstrings talaga. Oops, umangat, umangat, umangat. Masaw ka ang butt. And lower down. A little bit na, a little bit. And 5. Let's go. Okay yan. And return. Toes pointing lang. And lift. Ups, ups, ups. Umangat, umangat, umangat. There. Control it. And lower down. And 7. Let's go. Okay na. And return. And 8. Nice one. Okay, lower down a little bit. This time, heels together, toes apart. Yan. Favorite mo yan. And hamstrings ha. Baga-angat ang puwet. Doon ako banda para may video ka. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Gandahan sa video. Heels together, heels together. And lift. 1. Without lifting the butt. And return. Lift 2. Exhale sa lift 2. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift 3. There you go. Engage pa yung core. And return. Exhale, lift 4. Ups, ups. Control it, control it. You have to engage more pa. Para hindi masyado magulo yung lower. And return. And 5. And return. Sige, tuloy-tuloy. Last 2. And return. And 6. Last 2. And 7. And return. Last 1. And return. Okay, toes apart ng toes kissing, heels apart. Ayan, ang favorite mo pala. Are you ready? Naka-lower down muna yung first position natin. Lower down muna. There you go. Para maganda sa video, you have to control it. Control your feet as much as possible and your legs. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in and exhale as you lift. Without lifting the butt, just stretch the hamstrings and lower. Ups. Dandaan lang. And lift. Yan. Perfect. And baba. Lift 2. Perfect. And lower down. Ups. Mababa talaga pag lower. And lift 3. Control mo. Control lang. And okay na yan. And baba. Kailangan pagbaba, nakadikit pala. And 4. And baba. Lift 5. Baba. Lift 6. Baba. 7. Ups. Control it. Control it pag lower, naglo-lower down. 7. Lift. And baba. And 9. Okay na? Okay? Feet together, legs together, and knees together. This time, we're going to do leg circles. Okay? Pointing your toes. We're going to do leg circles. Lift the legs up. Okay na yan. And draw a circle outwards. Let's go. Draw a circle outwards. Yes. Ups, ups, without bending, without bending. Diba? Kunwari, ito yung legs ko. And then outwards. And babalik sa gitna. And 2. Okay, let's do it. And 1. Lift muna. Lift muna. Lower ka. Galing sa lower. Galing sa lower. There. And lift. Center. And draw. Let's go draw. Nice. And sige, sige po. Bababa yan. Bababa yan. And magli-lift again sa center. Okay? Yes. And 2. You have to control it. Sige lang. Feel it in your inner thighs. And center, lift, and let's go. Mangat yung pet. And yes. Okay. Lower and lift, center, and draw. Lower, lift, center, and draw. Nice one. And that's 3. Okay, perfect. And 4. Dandaan lang, you have to control it. And 5, control pa. And taas pa. And 6. Nice one. Last 2, 7. And 8. Last one yan. And perfect. Now, heels together, toes apart. Heels together, toes apart. There you go. You have to control it. Okay? So, kailangan paligtad po, heels together pa din. Stretch it as much as you can. And let's go draw. Draw circle 1. Up, up. No bending, no bending. And perfect. And 2. No bending. Kailangan ma-stretch yan. Sige. There. Can you feel the stretch? And return to center. And 3. Stretch it. Stretch your inner thighs. Sige lang. And return. And 4. Stretch pa. Yan. Perfect. Tagpo sa heels. And center. And 6. Nicely done. Okay? Tagpo sa heels. And 7. More pa. Last one na to. And 8. Ups, ups. Malikot, malikot. And let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Perfect. Toes together. Toes together, heels apart. Toes together, heels apart. Let's go. And 1. Ayan ang mahirap. Let's go, stretch. And toes together, Perfect. And 2. Feel it, feel it, feel it. And 3. Kaya yan. So you have to engage your core. Kaya pa yan. And 5. Let's go. Okay. And 6. Last 2. And 7. And 8. And that's it. Okay. Bend your knees, tabletop. We're going to remove one lang muna. And then this one is here. Okay, stand. That's how you remove it. Para masahirapan ka dito sa nanginginig siya. Okay? Okay lang yan. This time, we're going to work on your core. Grab the short straps. Medyo lower down your body a little bit. Lower down your body a little bit. Okay, tabletop position, both legs. Tabletop position. There you go. Point your toes. Okay, reach your arms to the ceiling. Reach your arms to the ceiling. There you go. Okay, we're working on your arms and your shoulders here and your lats. Okay, take a deep breath in. And exhale, we're going to reach your arms down. Yes. Okay, relax lang. Relax lang. There you go. And then engage this para hindi mag-arch. You don't want to arch. And return. Return to up. There you go. Only the arms and shoulders. And 2. Sabi pa. Yes. Baba. Off to the mat. And return. Straight your arms. Straight your arms. And let's go. And 3. Exhale lang. Lahat ng movement natin. Exhale. And return. Pag may nasa return, inhale lahat. Return. And 4. Nice. Breath. And return. And 5. Better. Return. And 6. And return. This time, we're going to lift our head, neck, and shoulders. Okay? So look at your crotch. So we're working for ups na siya. Okay? As you reach your arms down. Tabletop position pa rin po. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Perfect. And return. Nice. We're working on your core. And 2, tabletop position. Tatapin yung shoot. There you go. And return. Ganda. And 3. Angat pa to. Yes. Okay. And return. At the shoulders off to the mat. And 4. Off yung shoulders. Nice. Nice. Okay. And return. Return. Kailangan yung shoulders din nakaangat. And 5. Sigara. Yan. Perfect. Ganyan ang tama. Last one. Para maganda sa camp. Tabletop. And 6. Nice one. And return. Ganda. This time, we're going to add the legs. Okay? So, when you lift your head, neck, and shoulders and reach your arms down, we're going to extend this into lower diagonal. So, ito na yung gagawin. Oh! Yes. Okay? Feel it in your core. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in. And let's go exhale. Tatlo na. There! Perfect. Ops, balik tabletop. Balik tabletop. And 2. Extend it. There you go. And return. Return to first position. There. And 3. Napagod. Napagod. Kaya yan. Uy, ano na lang tayo? 2 minutes. Yay! And 3. Let's go. 3. Nice. And return. Tabletop. Tabletop. And 4. Let's go. Woo! And return. To tabletop. And 5. Woo! Core, core. Let's go. Yes. Perfect. And 6. Let's go 6. Stay in that position. Stay in that position. Let's go. Balik mo na ulit. Balik mo na ulit. And go. And exhale. Stay in that position. We're going to do pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Nag-give up na. Kaya ba? Last na ta. Last na ta. 50 naman. Para maganda sa tito. Okay? Para mag-learn malakas. Alright. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Let's go. And then pulses lang yung hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And pahinga. Hey! Galing naman sa first time. How was it? How was it?
Alam ko, relax lang.
Akala mo relax lang. Muli. Diba? Okay, we have your cleaning materials. Jump, ring.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Akala ko mag-picture with coach.
Okay lang.
Buksan na yung ilaw.
Sige.
Wala ko lipstick.
Sorry.
Kailangan. Sa pa-hair.
Saan ka?
Dito.
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang po. Saan po yun?
Ready? Sa po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Leia.
ma'am.
Sana balik ka ulit.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you
Nice,
po.
nice.
Group session na po yung next.
Ay, group session yun sa'yo.
Yeah, okay.
At least alam